welcome back to part 2 of the budget build. As you can see, I got the board already in place, I got the wheels in place and the bed also. The board is held on by double-sided tape. Just stick it to the back of the servo or servo holder. The bed, it's only a couple of screws, one each side and one at the back, so quite easy steps to do. I have cut to the servo tray just a little slot there, so you can get over the servo plug, like so. Just added a bit of weight to the wheels, but not a lot, because as you know it's only 180 motor, so you don't want to put too much weight on there because it's going to struggle. I won't be doing a paint job on it, so I'm just gonna keep it all as stock just to get the building down, and then I might change a few things later on, like detail all the inside and maybe some stickers on it or a paint job, we'll see. Should put the steps behind the actual door panel and the screw on the front. I've seen some people doing the other way around, but that's the way it should go. Final bit, there is just 4 screws, one here, one there and 2 by the front bumper. Okay, it's all done now. Just added a few stickers on it. I think I actually will leave it like that. It's not point doing a paint job, I quite like it the way it is. Let us know what you think. Once again, thanks a lot for watching. Much appreciate your continuous support, and leave your comments down below. and we catch you next time.